Hello guys, we're looking at a vector question. We're looking at a vector question. This is an examination question that we're looking at on vectors. So the question says, in the diagram below, ABC is a straight line, AB 8P, AC is equal to 4P plus 9Q. BV is equals to negative 6P plus KQ, and AM is equals to BM. So this is the vector that we have, and these are the sides vectors there. Question 1 says, express in terms of PQ and D, or K, A, AM, B, AV. So we need to find AM and BV. So the solution that we have, we need to find number one AM. That is what we need to find. So vectors, you need to consider direction. What kind of direction are you moving? That is number one that you need to know. So now AM, we need to find AM. We need to find AM. So if you notice, AM is the same as the MB. So AM, it is half of AB. AM is half of AB. Half of AB, it is half of AB. So now, what is AB? AB is HP. AB is 80P. So now, we need to find multiplied by 8P. So we are multiplying half times 80P, it will give you 8 over 2P. So 2 into 8, it will give you 4. It will give you 4. Meaning that AM, AM is equals to 4P. AM is equals to 4P. AM is equals to 4P. Let us find B, which is vector AV. We need to find AV. We need to find AV. We need to find AV. So this one, this direction, you can either move a direction. You can either move a direction, which will be the best. So we need to move AV, AB plus BV. A, B plus BV. That is the direction that we're going to move. So AB, we know that it is 80. AB, we know that it is 8B. AB is 80B plus BV is negative 6B plus KQ. That is what we have from there. That is what we have from there. So now we're going to multiply everything with a positive. We're going to multiply everything in the brackets with a positive. So we have 80P, positive times negative, it will give you a negative. 80P, positive times positive, it is always a positive. So this is what we have. And then you can see that these are like terms. These are like terms. So we're going to subtract 8P minus 6P. So it will give us 2P. It will give us 2P plus KQ. It will give us 2P plus KQ. So meaning this is your AV. This is your AV. That is your AV that we have found there. That is our AV that we have found. Number two says, given that AV is equals to HAV, given that AV V is equals to HAC. HAC by forming an equation involving P, Q, H, and K, or otherwise find the numerical values of H and K. So we need to find the values for H and K. So we need to form an equation. That is the first thing. Form an equation. So AV we have there. What is AV? AV is 2P plus KQ. H. What is AC? What is AC? What is AC? AC from there we have been given 4P plus 9Q. So we multiply H by everything in what? In the brackets there. So we have 2P plus KQ. So H times 4P, it will give us 4HP plus H times 9Q, it will give us 9HQ. That is what we have. So this is the equation that we have formed. That is the equation that we have formed. So now, how do we find the value of H and the value of K? So we are multiplying this guy and this guy. In other words, you can just equate them by equating those values or those terms. So equate the second term with the second term on the other side. So you have 2P is equals to 4HP. The other one will be KQ is equals to 9HQ. So let us try to find the first one, and then if you find H here, substitute H in the other part. So you will need to make the subject of the formula H. Make the subject of formula H for us to succeed finding the value of H. So subject formula H, 4P, 4P. So 4P goes, 2P into 4P, that is 2. So therefore, our value here, H is equals to 1 over 2. I hope you can see. So H is equals to 1 over 2. H is equals to 1 over 2. So substitute H in that formula. You are substituting H in here. Let's substitute H. We have KQ is equals to 9HQ. So we are substituting the value of H. So it's equals to 9H1 over 2Q. So 9 multiplied by half will be 9 over 2. Will be 9 over 2Q. Okay, so now let's make K the subject of the formula. Q, there, Q goes. We remember K is equals to K goes. So it will be 9 over 2. 9 over 2. Mostly, I don't advise leaving your answer like this, because this answer is in improper fraction. So you can leave it in a mixed fraction, it's fine. So we have K is equals to 2 into 9, that will give you 4, remainder 1. 4, remainder 1 over 2. That will be your answer. Go through that question and be able to find correct answers.